Hello guys, it's Mickey, and if you're just tuning into my channel, you can as well just subscribe and turn on the notification bell for interesting videos yet to come. Today I'm going to be talking about the so-called whitening peeling oil, if it does whiten the body or not, and if it's meant to be the peeling oil to be used on the skin. Since most people crave for organic products, which takes a longer period of time before it works, and yet the products are very expensive to purchase, why would I want to go for something that will cost me an arm or a leg and still not work? Now, we're going to relate it with the peeling oil. The ingredient used in making organic whitening peeling oil is lactic acid, glycolic acid, malic acid, salicylic acid, and lemon oil. A combination of both salicylic acid and lactic acid is really good for acne, while glycolic acid is not meant to be used on someone suffering from boil-like pimples. Lemon oil is a good oil used for toning the skin. So imagine adding these combinations together in a bowl and mixing it together. Then you apply it on your body and get to wait for about 3 days without taking a bath. After 3 days, you bathe with AHA baby face soap. And you're not allowed to go out in the sun. After going through all that stress, the peeling oil will still not function the way you imagine it to function. Well, the problem is actually not from you. The problem is actually from the combination, and not just the combination, because it's an organic peeling oil and it cannot be like that of a pro-mixing peeling oil. An organic peeling oil works better with someone with a sensitive skin, and it's just for just one skin type alone. It doesn't work for all skin type. That's one problem about organic. Someone who has a sensitive skin relates well to organic products than someone with a hard skin. So why would I want to go for organic product that takes a longer period of time and works for only one skin type? Because except you're willing to wait for a longer period of time before it begins to work, and after wasting so much money, because it costs an arm or a leg to go into organic products. So for those who want a quick fix and want the real peeling oil, you can get the recipe by just WhatsApping the number that's going to be displayed on the screen right now. It's not free, So I want to thank my subscribers. I love you guys so much. Without you guys, there is no me. For more interesting videos on how to whiten your skin in no time, you can just click on the link that will be displayed on the screen right now. Bye guys. See you.